Welcome to the Himalayan highlands, and in this video we will tell you about a group of engineers who are traveling to the one of the most extreme landscapes on the earth, the Hanamur village in Ladakh, India. This village has never known to get electricity, so these engineers will be installing solar panels to ensure a regular supply of electricity in the village. They have got an 8-day track ahead of them. Beside them is the Zanskar River, which is perfect for moving heavy equipment like solar panels. And their destination is Hanamur village. This village has almost 15 degrees Celsius in the day, and in the night it has minus 30 degrees Celsius, which is literally blood chilling. It has never had electricity. But wiring a village in sub-zero temperatures isn't easy. So let's see how they do this.
Now here's the heart of the computer system. Now it works completely. I think it's perfect for a student of mountain areas.
Unless and until the villager have no basic facility, they will migrate to the town. Now the Hanamur, they got a basic facility, so probably their young generation will stay here.
So this is the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.